Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm gonna do a quick little Black Friday haul. I got a few things in person and a few things online. I didn't do anything too crazy, but I just thought for a quick little video for the week, since I don't have a whole lot of time to film this week, I would just show you guys what I bought during the sales. So with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below, and let's get into the haul. So I'm going to start with my in-store purchases because I have less of those. I did not go very crazy this year at all. I kept it pretty low-key. I didn't technically go Black Friday shopping. I went shopping on Saturday, but like I said, I did order a few things. So the first store is H&M. I only got one thing at H&M, and it wasn't even on sale, but I just really liked it. So I got this really cute black shoulder bag. I had gone to the Coach outlet and found a bag that I was obsessed with, but it was a little bit more than I was willing to pay. And then when I got home, I was like, I can't stop thinking about this bag. So I kept looking online to try and find it, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I ended up finding this in H&M, and I was like, that's close enough. It's way cheaper. I'm going to buy it. This was $17.99, and the one that I was looking at was like $170. So we got her. And then I did grab two things from Victoria's Secret. One of the things is in my dirty laundry, but it is this really cute sleep set. I'll try and find a picture if possible. And that wasn't on sale, but this was. I just picked up a really cute simple bra for work. This was, I think, originally $50, and I got it for $30. So I thought that was a good deal. Next was Hollister, and once again, I only got one thing in here, but I'm hoping that these fit. I have not tried them on, but it was the only pair left, and they're just these really cute pajama pants, and I really liked the band. Normally I get stuff in a small, but I got these in an extra small because, like I said, it was the only size they had left, but I really liked them. So these were like originally $35, and I think I got them for $22 maybe or something. I think their whole store was either 30 or 40% off. I don't exactly remember. The last store I actually went to was American Eagle. These two things were gifts from my best friend's mom for my birthday. One of the things, once again, is in the dirty laundry, but it's just this really cute mock neck little cropped gray tee, and I wore it a few days ago, so I need to wash it. I have a bunch of laundry I need to do. But the other thing I got, it is this big chunky adorable cream sweater. They had it in black, and I wanted it in black, but with my dog having white fur, she sheds really bad. I was like, there's no way I will get to wear that and it will actually look nice. So I got this, and I'm very excited. It's so soft. And I got this in a small, and it was originally $50, and I think I got it for $35, which is a steal if I say so myself. So the last place I actually have my stuff from is PacSun. I have this really big bag, and I haven't opened it yet. This just got delivered today. But the first thing I got is this really cute little gray crop. If you don't know, gray is literally like my black. I love gray so much. And they had like 50% off their entire website, and then since I like signed up to be a member, I got an additional 15% off. So this was originally $23, and I think I got it for like $9 maybe, something like that. So cute, literally so excited to wear it. It's comfy. I got mine in a size medium. I only did that because I've never bought in a PacSun crop top, and I wasn't sure how cropped it would be, and with my tatas I didn't want it to be literally like a bra. So it's a little bit longer, but I think it might actually be a good size once I put it on. Okay, so the next thing I got from PacSun is this really big, super comfy, like Sherpa zip up. I think this was originally $55 and I got it for like 22 or something like that. Like, just a crazy deal. I was like, yes, you're going right in my cart, like, immediately. But I got mine in a size small because it is oversized. Normally when I buy jackets, I buy them in at least a medium, sometimes a large. But this one did say oversized, and it definitely is. It has just like this little pocket, and I just liked the detailing. I thought it'd be perfect for running errands, or if I'm like wearing a hoodie and just need to pop out and I don't want to put on like a coat. I thought this would be perfect, and it's literally so soft. So I've never bought in pants from PacSun, but I decided to take my chances. These first pair were originally $60, and I literally got them for like $16. When my boyfriend and I went birthday shopping, I saw these and I was in love, and they did not have them in a size nearly big enough. So I'm usually a US size small/4, and so that kind of correlates to about a 27. So that is what I got. I got these in a 27. I'm really hoping they fit, because if not, that's really gonna suck. But they are these beautiful green corduroy dad jeans, and I am literally obsessed with them. I don't know when I would wear these, maybe for a Christmas event or something, but they were literally $16, and when I saw that they had them online in my size for $16, I knew I had to have them. The next thing from PacSun is just a simple pair of gray sweatpants. I love gray sweatpants. I love gray and sweatpants in general, so put the two together and that is like my love language. These were originally $37, and I once again got them in a size small. I think I bought these for maybe like $16 again or something after all the sales, but they feel really soft, and I just thought it would be nice to have an extra pair because I wear sweatpants literally 24/7. This next thing is just this really cute little gray like half button up thing. I just thought it would be nice to have something like simple to wear with just like a pair of jeans or even sweatpants. I got this in a size medium because once again I wasn't sure how small their smalls were. This is originally $27, and I got mine for, I believe it was like $12 or $13 or something like that, but I just think it's really cute and it's not overly cropped. Okay, so this very last thing is another pair of jeans. These are the 90s boyfriend jeans. I got these also in a size 27. These were originally $60, and I got them for, once again, like 16 or so. Once again, I really hope they fit me. I got them in a 27. They have a few tears in the leg, but nothing too crazy. I don't have any not super baggy black ripped jeans, and so I wanted a pair, but I'm definitely going to be trying both of these pairs of pants on so I can see if they fit me, and if they don't, I'm probably going to have to give them to somebody that they will fit. But that is everything in my haul. I know it's quick, short, and sweet, but like I said, I didn't get anything too much or too crazy. I just thought it would be a fun little video to show you guys a few things that I purchased during some of these good sales they've been having. I think my next video is going to be a Christmas wish list. I would have filmed that today, but I got off of an 8-hour shift and I went in extra early today, and I had chores and homework to do, and so I'm just tired and I didn't feel like doing all that. So just a little short, quick video for this week to counteract all the long videos you've been getting. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Make sure you stick around for book, makeup, and lifestyle content. Check out all my links, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!